Good morning, YouTubers. Me again. The old Sonoma, I gotta take it for a trip here coming up. That's not too far, maybe 150 miles or so. But I'm gonna make sure she's working well. And one of the things that wasn't doing so good was the old windshield wipers. You know, it'd go back and forth and just streak the water, you know, didn't really wipe it off the windshield, just kind of smeared it. So I thought it might be a good idea to at least put one on the driver's side. So this is going to be a quick how-to video for how to change your windshield wiper on your 90s S-10 / Sonoma. Yeah, that's it. So it's going to be a quickie. I'm going to try to get a good close-up for you because it's not real hard. But if you don't know how, everything's hard, right? So I'm going to try to get a good close-up and, you know, all that stuff. But anyway, let's get started. The first thing you need to know, the number one thing you need to know is how to get the old one off, right? I've got this flipped up, you know, these just kind of flip up like so. And then you're just going to kind of get this out of the way, and there's a little tab right here. Just going to pick up on it, bloop, pick up, and then she slides right out of there. Look at that. Let me show you that again. It's like magic, right? Oop, now you got to get her back in here. Come on, hello. There we go. Slides in, pick up the tab, slide back out. Ta-da! That was difficult. Now, we're going to improve on this old Chevy S-10. We're going to put on a Mopar windshield wiper. I'm not doing it on purpose, so don't anybody get mad. Besides, this one's like made in Indonesia. But it's what I got laying around, you know, so it's gonna go on there. Who knew that Chevy and Mopar stuff is kind of the same in some cases? Don't tell anybody. The Mopar guys will be mad, so will you Chevy guys. But since this is a Chevy video, I'm imagining most of the people watching this are gonna be Chevy people. So we're just gonna same thing. Just gonna slide this one in. Just push it up. Just gonna push it in until it clicks. Come on, baby. Oh, here we go. Make a liar at it. Oh, it's already in. No, it's got to go up a little bit. There we go. This one's got two little tabby doodahs right here that kind of clip on the top. So you got to get all the way in. There we go. And this also has a push tab here. So we're going to check on it. We're going to pull on it, see if it'll come off. It won't. And that's it. I know I was really hard. So I apologize. And then this one we can just, you know, deep six it. There you go. So there you can put Mopar stuff on a Chevy. Don't tell anybody. They might get mad. But that also means you can put Chevy stuff on a Mopar. And so it's depending on your preference. It might make it go faster, might make it go slower. Depends on what you think. But anyway, there you go. Simple, easy peasy, no big deal. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if it helped you out, do me a favor, subscribe. That helps me out immensely. Don't cost you a penny. It's free, right? What else in this world is free?